see that promotion.
What? You heard me, Susan?
I'm not in the mood for your shit, Helen.
I'm not Helen now, like present. I'm Helen from 20 minutes in the future. A future that depends on your stapler.
Stop talking.
In 10 seconds, you need to throw your stapler as hard as you can, or the world will... The only way to stop it is to throw your stapler. Like whip it really hard against the wall.
Or else the vortex will open.
And we'll all die. No promotion. If we're all dead, only you can save us.
Stop talking.
Susan, you have to throw it. Throw it in 5, 4, 3.
To God, Helen. If you don't shut the fuck up, I will throw the stapler at your face.
Throw it now. Do it. Do it now. Susan, do it.
Whoa. I threw it. Will you shut the fuck up now?
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. This is Susan. No. I mean, yes. No, Helen wouldn't stop! Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I didn't see your son. No, I know, but this is just a misunderstanding. I would never throw a stapler at a child or person or persons.
Problem, Susan?
No, security isn't necessary.
This is Helen. Yes, that's awful. I had no idea she was so unhinged. Yes. Oh, really? Me? Well, of course I'd be honored. Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. I won't let you down. Hey, I got the promotion. Drinks on me tonight.